All right, guys, Miss Golson's here, and I'm so excited because today is the first day you guys are going to be starting a project where you guys actually get to make a product. So, what you're going to start off with today is you guys are going to be listening to the story Lemonade for Sale on YouTube. While you're watching this or listening to this story, what I want you to do is think about who are the producers, who are the consumers, what kind of product are they selling? Then I want you to think about what kind of resources do they need for their product, okay? When you guys finish that read aloud and you have thought about those things that we previously learned about, I want you guys to come back to this video and push play, and we're going to talk about some things about this story, and then what are you going to do for your product today, which I'm so excited about. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, welcome back. I hope you guys love that story just as much as Miss Golson loves that story. So I want us to kind of talk about a few things. As you guys were reading or listening to that story, who were the producers in this story, Lemonade for Sale? You're right. It was the children who made the lemonade. They were the producers. Remember, a producer is someone who is selling a good or a service. Now, I want you to think about who are the consumers? Who are the people that were buying the product? You're right. It was those in the neighborhood. Their neighbors. But also, it was the children because they had to buy their supplies to make their product. Now, here's my next question. What was the product that they sold? You're right. It was lemonade. It was the lemonade that they made. That was their business. And then we learned about resources, how when you're a producer, you use resources to make your product, your good or your service. What were some resources that they used to make their lemonade? Wow, you guys are great. Water. You needed sugar, right? Cups. Ice. And they had several other things like their stand and those kind of things. I also want to think about who were the human resources they needed to sell their product. If Ms. Golson could talk, to sell their product. Who did they need? You're right, they needed the children. They couldn't sell the lemonade unless they were working the stand. They had to make the lemonade. So the children were also a resource. All right. So we wanted you guys to listen to that story because what you guys are going to work on for the next 3 days is creating your own product, which is super exciting. So what you're going to do is you are going to, on your paper, you're going to think of a product that you would like to make. Okay. You can draw that product. If it's okay with parents at home, you can make one. And then what you're going to do is you're going to come up with a product name. Okay. Once you guys have done that, I want you to share that with someone at home and share what you came up with. Because tomorrow we're going to be thinking about some more things with your product. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for joining me.